Good morning everyone. So today in this video I am going to explain some basic parts and their purposes in our chassis department of a Formula student vehicle. So this is how our chassis of a Formula student vehicle looks like. So here the driver has to sit and that is mostly in a sleeping position, so the pedals rest over here and the driver's head will rise maximum up to this position, and the back is completely in a bent way, and the steering is over here. And this is the sample chassis which is under iterations and revisions of a Formula student team for year 2021. So this is the roll cage, and there are still the attachments left which would become more complex in a diagrammatic view over here. So this is just the roll cage of the of our chassis. So what does the roll cage means? This chassis has to be designed in such a way that even if the vehicle rolls sideways or topples, then the driver is safe enough. So the rule says that the height of the main hoop and the front hoop should be such that if we draw a line from the top positions of those two loops, the driver's head must be below that line. So I'll give you the terminologies. So this is the main roll hoop and this is the front roll hoop. So those two loops should touch the ground, and the driver must be safe enough. And the rods used over here are colored in different ways. So this gives you the idea of their thickness and their diameter. So those rods are of hollow and they are not solid, and the yellow ones are of least thickness of around 1 mm or 1.2 mm. Then the green ones could be of middle thickness value somewhat around 1.5 to 1.8 mm, and the red ones, which has to take the major part of the loads, are of around 2 mm, 1.8 to 2.1 mm, and so. And this is the mount for handling our steering, and there would be many mounts which would be attaching to the other subdivisions which we'll talk later. So in case of roll sidewards or frontwards roll, the driver is safe enough, and it is more explanatory visible in this figure. So it can be easily seen that even if the car rolls, the chassis has been made such that the sidewards rods and the front rods will completely cover the driver's head. So there are three kinds of rotations which are possible in any vehicle. Let it be a Formula student vehicle or Formula One vehicle, our passenger car, or a bullock cart or an aeroplane, anything. There are three axes. The conventions are as, so this black axis which goes from back to front is the x-axis, which goes from left to right or right to left is the pitch. Y-axis, and which goes from bottom to top is the z-axis. So these are the three axes, and the rotations about these three independent axes are named here. So the rotation about x-axis is known as roll. So this roll would occur when we are turning rightwards or leftwards. The pitch would occur, which is about the rotation is about the y-axis, would occur when we brake or when we accelerate our vehicle, and this is more visible in a bus. So when we are above the ground in a much higher height, then we can easily feel that we are getting bent down or bent backwards when the bus brakes or when it accelerates respectively. And the yaw movement means we are changing our direction with the help of the wheels directly. So let me give you the terminologies over here. And these are not the standard terminologies, but these are as per the some are as per the rule books and some are as per the convenience so that we can better manage our division designs and maintain the record books. So these are the main roll hoops. So there could be a combination of rods welded with each other, and some are bent also. And this is the front roll hoop. Here also the rods could be bent and welded with each other, and they need not be a single piece. Then so these two are the main rods which needs to take the major part of the load. So they are of the highest thickness and shown in red over here. And this is the another rod which is of the support. So in the top view we can easily see that this is the rod which is of red color, and these are also the of red color. So these are made of red color because they need to handle the engine. So these are engine mounts which I'll explain later also. Then this is the front bulkhead, and this is used to uh, absorb force in the front crushes. So if we bank into some another car or into some static wall, then this part will absorb force. So this is the front overhang length from where the wheel axis comes. So if the wheels are over here, then the length between the wheel axis and the front part is called as the front overhang, and this length will help us to is known as the crush zone. So this part will get crushed itself and will not let the force transmit to the driver, and the driver will be safe and the force will be absorbed in this part. And so this is called as the front bulkhead. This is called as the bulkhead support, and this is front hoop bracing. So this is it is somewhat like support only. So this is front roll hoop, this is front hoop bracing. These are the side impact bar. There are three side impact bar which are necessary. So we have named them as upper side impact member, side impact bracing, which is the somewhat like support, and lower side impact member. And this is the main hoop bracing. So this will cover our engine. So the engine lies inside over here in the back chamber, and these are the engine mounts. It depends, we have 4 engine mounts, 3 engine mounts, 6 engine mounts as per our requirement and as per our engine. So these rods will cover our engine. And these are the floor bars. So we have floor plate over here which is shown in gray over here, and these are the floor members. And this gray plate is called as the firewall. So if our engine burns, or even if it is not burning, in the running case of the engine gets heated up. So this firewall is used to not let heat or fire transmit from this side of the chamber to the front section where the driver is seated, so the driver remains safe in that condition. This is called as the beam model. This is where the beams have been converted to pipes as per the manufacturing scenario, and this is the initial stage of the design of our roll cage. So these are the beam members, and these have not been given any properties. These are just the coordinates, and the lines has been made joining the coordinates. And there are many other accessories other from the roll cage which are included in chassis, or which are getting directly attached to the chassis, and but are the parts of other departments such as engine department or suspension. So we'll see them. So I have explained about the firewall, which has the purpose not to let heat transmit from one side, that is the engine section, to the driver section. Then so the firewall gets attached between the on the main roll hoop bar. Then we have engine mounts which were attached to the intersection of the main hoop bars, and over here on the rear side. Then we have floor plates which I explained earlier. These are the floor plates, and over here whichever is the downmost position, lowermost position, and which is closest to the ground, needs some holes to be made. So if we have some leakages of oils or fluid, that fluids will not remain in the roll cage on the floor plate, and they will get out of the roll cage. Over here also, if we are covering them from bottom, then there should be the holes made. And if there are two lowermost position, and in between if this rod is higher and this section is having some lowermost position at this point, and this section is having another lowermost position at this point, and this is an higher point, then we need to make two holes for the purpose. Then we have steering wheel mount, which I explained earlier. Then we have impact attenuator. So this part which you are seeing, which is very much similar to a thermocol, this is used to as a part which will absorb the energy in case of front impact or the rear impact. So this will get crushed itself, absorbing forces, and not let much force to be transmitted to the chassis or the driver. So this is a safety equipment. Then we have the seat, which looks something like this, and there could be many variants of seat as per the requirement, but we can see that this is a much inclined seat with respect to the passenger car, which are much straight. So the driver has to just lie down. It is just almost in the sleeping position while he is driving the vehicle. Then we have head in restraint. So in case of bangs, if the vehicle gets banged in front and rear impact, the rear head restraint is used, and this is also fireproof, so it will not catch fire, and we can safeguard our heads, even though the driver has to wear the safety harness and the safety harness and the helmet. Then we have tail lights, very much similar to passenger car. We have side lights, very much similar to passenger car. We have battery mount, which is also very much similar to passenger car. Then we have kill switches. So these kill switches are used to turn off the engine, not only by driver but an external member outside the vehicle can also turn off the engine in case of fire or in case of non-working, in case of any emergency. Then we have catch cans. So any fluids or any fluids which are coming out of engine, or in case of any leakages, those are being stored temporarily in catch cans. Then we have fuel tank and control arms. So the fuel tank comes in engine department, and we can have some design very much similar to this. So this is one of our design, and this is the second variant for the inlet of the fuel. So here we have used two tons, and here we are directly inputting it to the fuel tank. And the capacity of the fuel tank, there is no compulsion, and because but we need to take the scenario of completing the endurance test properly. So the fuel tank capacity should be as per the requirement. And we have control arms which are attached to the chassis over here. So there will be 8 control arms, 4 in the front and 4 in the rear. So they are attached over here, these 4 positions. Similarly, the 4 positions over on the right side, and here they will be attached at these 4 positions. And these sample mounts are been designed for your viewing. So similarly on the other side. Okay, thank you.